Today I will introduce you to two people that I admire. The first person is Magnus Carlsen. He is a chess champion and he plays chess very good. Also, his job is grandmaster. I like him because I like chess. Second person is Erling Haaland. He is soccer player and his last score is 49 goal in Manchester City, and his team is Manchester City. I like him because he is cool and I like soccer. He is also a strong player and I want to be a strong player. These are two people I admire. I hope you enjoy listening. Who is your